Okay, so what we're looking at right here is actually the large format printer. You can see that we have two heads going on, and right now it is doing the filament. It is using the clear filament, and it's going in a pattern that the G code actually told it to go in. That's why it's very important to understand the X, the Y, and the Z. Okay? As you see, we have a very large platform here where we can go ahead and do a large print. Okay? So what happens is it moves back and forth and up and down. Up and down is the Z, back and forth is the X and the Y. And you can see the honeycomb shape right here that the 3D printer is doing. It's laying down the filament as we speak. The filament that it's using is PLA. The control panel is right here, and the control panel tells it what the temperature is for the bed, temperature for the nozzles, and also whether or not it has baby steps. Baby steps are the distance that you move it off of the bed, because sometimes you need to move it a little bit further off of the bed. Whenever we press this, we can see what the temperatures are. Okay, remember, it is temperatures in Celsius. It also tells us how much time is left. It says 37 hours. Filament time on the spool is 67, and for the layer is 199, okay, or 59 meters. So when we look at it, we know that the print bed here is 69, and the left print is 213. It fluctuates between 215 and 213. So when you go to print, this is the control area, and if you wanted to shut it down for an emergency, of course, we do have the red and the green light. Okay, and so this works off of a G code, which is a little bit different. You save it as an STL, and you use a software called Simplify 3D.